In today's episode, we're taking out this lovely 2TG engine and transmission in one piece. Being old and simple, I knew it wouldn't run into the same complexities as taking out a modern engine. I did some research and found these steps to follow. Remove the exhaust, remove the drive shaft, drain all the fluids, disconnect the fuel system, disconnect the electrical system, disconnect the transmission and engine mounts, and then pull the engine. And the best part is we already completed the first three. I'm going to state ahead of time that taking out the engine with a forklift isn't the best idea, and if you stick around till the end I'll go into more depth on this. For now, let's start the process. Oh, that's... Okay. Keep that there. You stay there. We don't want to touch you. Don't break anything, please. Yeah, it was just snagged on the boot. Actually, I wonder if these are the screws that went through the body that I saw underneath. I'm guessing I can't find another one of these.
You'll have to know because it'll only go in one way.
Oh, that's
It only
right.
comes out in
Well, because I want to get the transmission down, right? So, whoa, okay. That saves me time. That's awesome. This is straight,
it only
two
goes in
sides, and it only goes in one way. That's in there. Good. Perfect. There we go. There we go. That's awesome. There we go. Just hold me this. Right. He said, yeah, he wants to buy.
Watch your back of your arm.
There we go.
Except for...
There we go. So yeah, I'll have to take this off.
I would take your fans off.
This. Just like that. Okay. That didn't go. Nice. Okay, let's see. How do you take this off? Ah, okay. This comes out pretty easy, and I need the pan underneath because it's gonna
You have to disconnect.
Where's my pan? Droppy drop.
Yeah, you got lots of stuff to...
Or that nobody else got.
People don't pull it enough.
There we go. There we go. There's that. This is probably air, my map sensor, air and fuel sensor. I think if I take
Out
this,
and up.
got it. And now let's see. There we go. Okay, easy enough.
I should... Well, that's coming right out.
Yeah. Just keep them in a bag. There we go.
I'll know that.
Yeah, That's a lot of steps, man. That's one bigger. Boom, 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 and boom. To the side. Should come right off, yep. That. Yeah. There we go. Nice. Woo! Okay, future Joel. Yellow is at the very bottom bolt. The top is, this is just holding another wire, so you don't have to worry about that. To my future self, you're unhooking the alternator right now. I don't remember what you did, you're gonna have to figure it out, but you got a bad camera angle. Sucks to suck.
Let's get on it.
You were just on. Because it was hard to differentiate. And I mean, so this goes on the top one, and then there's a little sensor beside it.
Yeah, that's good.
And I don't know what it is, but it probably needs to be, this is all frayed. Actually it looks fine, it's just got frayed line.
That's just the insulation.
There we go. There we go. Perfect. Oh. Let's ask somebody. Let's ask somebody. What is this? Snip. There we go.
Just pressure fit.
That's these things you just pop out.
1, 2.
There we go. There we go.
Let's fit the fit.
Yeah, here. There's 2 sensors right here. Yeah, I can just kind of pop them out. Do you have a screw? Oh, there we go.
There it goes.
See, it's out. Once I actually, it actually won't affect it because I'll drop it and the wire will just follow it out and then I can get it. Yeah, you're right.
That's right.
You're right. Oh yeah. I just want them to.
You're lifting it up now.
It's not going anywhere, right?
Nope. No tension.
Oh, it's like barely. It's not
Did you lose?
something. Straight, turn a little bit. With your fork, yeah. Fork up, fork up, fork up. Okay, there. Maybe now. Yep. They're coming up. Oh, it's up to the car.
It's in the car?
Yeah, you can lift the car a little bit.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
How did you lift the car?
Because it's dragging on something.
Was that the 1 second? Gives you a chance to clean that, I guess.
Good.
It's in good shape. There you go. That's what you
Oh,
want.
now it's the whole thing.
Slow down and have a look if there's any more wires.
Now the whole thing's kind of moving forward. So we missed the sway bar now. Yeah, you're still good. You're loose.
I'm gonna go forward just a little
I
bit.
just don't want, yeah, now, up, up, up. Yeah,
So,
yeah.
I'll press that chain now.
Yeah, and now backwards.
Up now, up. Back to Friday when we're the most. Get ready for running.
Okay, and back. And you're gonna hit the, down. So just in case something happens, it doesn't, free fall down. And this here. Here, go down at the same time. Equals the other arms. You're still in tension, so you're still good. I know what you want. Yeah.
How's it looking?
Keep going. It's not tipping.
I'm off.
Yep, you're good.
You need to get a hook off, I'm good.
The infamous line runs through my head that taking things apart is easy. Putting them back together is hard. In my mind, an engine pull is something only hot rodders and professional mechanics do. But here it is, on the warehouse floor. Now what? I mentioned before that it was the previous owner who made all these racing mods, but I forgot to mention that he fully rebuilt this motor and transmission, which is lucky that he did because I don't want to be poking around there at the moment. So should you pull your engine with a forklift? I wouldn't. Here's why. If you buy or rent a small 2-ton hoist, you'll be able to make more minor adjustments and level the engine much better than we could. The forklift had such bulky movements and it was a bit unpredictable, but the whole car came off the jacks at one point and the transmission almost smashed into the ground. Now here we are with an empty engine bay. Remember when we saw those 3 lines that went to my gas tank? Well, we found out that it was capped off. The more you know. Next episode, I think we're just about ready to make the tip-over jig so we can prep and repair the undercarriage. At the same time, I think I should get some shelves and a workbench for storing these parts, as well as tearing down all the suspension components. I'll be doing a lot of research, but if you have any advice on wood tip-over jigs, please let me know in the comments, as I'm going to need all the help I can get. See you on the next one.